All right, guys, we are very excited today to present to you Fetty's new shirt.
Oh, sorry, dude.
That terrifies me every night before I go to sleep. I close my eyes and I see Pennywise. To Braille family, my name is Rick and I am a tennis pro in my mid-40s. I am a huge fan of your YouTube channel and of your mission to get more people skating. Your Skate Everything series is unequivocal evidence that it's not the equipment that makes the skater. I believe I've watched every one of those videos and I am amazed and saddened that you have not skated a single tennis racket.
You hear all the racket in the background?
Got him! Oh, look at this, Fetty. Not skated a single tennis racket. You've skated Thor's hammer, a MacBook Pro, even a spoon, but no love for the lonely tennis racket. Well, let that prejudice end now. I have provided you with a vintage Prince Graphite Series 110. Prince Graphite? I had no idea. This is the racket of Andre Agassi used as a young superstar.
What?
That's right. It might be tricky getting the trucks to mount snugly in the string bed. Daniel has done a wonderful job with that.
Wow.
But I bet it will feel nice and springy if you do. I think the leather grip will feel nice under your foot as well. Obviously, the thing is gonna get kick flipped. Is that obvious?
No.
I was thinking, how? How will we kickflip this? And why would that be an obvious thing?
Wait, Daniel did a fantastic job on this.
Let's just give Daniel a hand, everybody. A little round of applause. Like, subscribe, leave that comment below.
Oh, that's why I wanted you to wash your hands.
But what I'm really excited to see is all of the manual combos you guys do. So, how are we gonna manual combo this tennis racket?
I don't know,
like,
man.
really?
Aaron's
I love that you
combos
believe that we are good at things. Hopefully, we will not let you down. Thanks for all your excellent work and inspiration. Rick.
He just showed up and brought us a tennis racket.
Yeah, how did I miss the
He literally
professional
showed
tennis
up
player?
in the middle of the day and like threw a tennis racket. Daniel was standing outside and he just was like, boom, caught it. Before we get into skating this video, I would like to thank our sponsor for sponsoring this video.
Skateboarding made simple.
Nice try, but no, it's Skater Trainers.
Well, these
kickflip, manual, ollie, shove it, switch, and more. Okay, guys, so here's the deal. I started Braille skateboarding with the mission to teach as many skaters to skate as possible, and we have literally got the attention of millions of different people and got them interested in skateboarding. The main problem that we have here is that people get interested, then they try to learn, and they have a very hard time. Because skateboarding is not the easiest thing. In fact, one of the biggest problems that people have is confidence. They stand on a board, they try a trick, and they think, when I land, my board will roll away and I will get very badly injured. Enter Skater Trainer! So these are rubber pieces. You're gonna put these on your wheels, and then you're gonna be able to do a trick and land without the board flying out from underneath you. You practice with them, then you take them off, then you do the trick without them. It is a training aid. We have been teaching tons of people how to skateboard, doing personal lessons at the Braille house, we're doing camps, and a lot of kids are learning how to do a ton of different tricks very fast with the Skater Trainers.
I was staring off into space.
Dude,
You always,
I was looking
just
at that.
You always just stare off into space.
I was zoned.
So yeah, like I said, we're rolling tons of new tricks at the Braille house with these. So if you're a beginner skateboarder and you're struggling with anything, any tricks or any confidence, go to skatertrainer.com and check these out. They also have thousands of reviews of people just like we have helped other people. People have gotten these and helped themselves learn how to skate just like you will. So you can go to skatertrainer.com and get those and learn to skate. And then you could do tricks on a tennis racket like Fetty and I are about to attempt to do.
You could see the tennis ball residue on the racket.
Wow.
On
that note, let's go.
I love Fetty's obvious points. We are here at the Braille house.
Okay, now where's our tennis ball?
Oh wait, give me that ball.
It's gonna go back.
No, Fetty. So because we're such professionals here at the Braille house and we were like, oh, we're gonna skate a tennis racket, they even got a tennis ball. Thank you. You guys are incredible. I could not do what we do here every day without you. Here you go, tennis. If it breaks right away, no. Wait, slow-mo.
Wow, way to jump to it.
Wait, what did you just say, Troy? The first part.
Agassi. Well, he's the only like tennis player I know of.
Isn't he the guy? That.
He used this one?
This was when he used this when he was up and coming, when he was like younger.
Dude.
Load up. Wonder what kind of diseases I'm getting from these. First try for the gram. Oh, mother!
How did you fall?
I was all in on that. I was all in. 0-0, it's love. Okay, I'm seriously sticking this. And not the East Coast definition of stick it. What? Get out of town! Woo! What? Get out of town! Woo! Manual combos?
I'm gonna tray flip it now. He won.
Kickflip it, you fool! No big deal, just beat Fetty. Just can't admit it. Just gotta tray flip it now. All right, Fetty's at 3 tries. He'll miss this, and then I'll land it first try. Oh! I've seen some impossible things, and that's not it. Wow. I've just got to take a moment to appreciate this is still together. Tennis rackets are way stronger than I thought. Oh, it's impossible. I give up.
That's the spirit.
Oh, I know what it is. There's no grip tape.
Stop it.
I hate tennis. I love it. I love tennis. It is my favorite. Andre Agassi. Wow. If Andre Agassi can come to the Braille house and teach us how to play tennis, we will teach him how to kickflip. Or Serena Williams. Or Oprah Winfrey. Ow. Why do I feel like I'm gonna land primo and then die and then end up on a tennis court? My name is Aaron Kyro. I'm the best tennis player of all time. Betty, just land it. Okay. It's the tennis cup. Oh. What? Oh what? You got that? You got that? Woo!
Yes.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to send us something, just kidding. What else can we do on
Manual
this?
combos, that's what he wanted.
He wanted I know. Carlos, he wants manual combos. You're the only one here that manuals, so just do some. Aaron, you just got some. I was gonna say that!
Manual combos!
Anytime there's a ball in the warehouse, it's just getting thrown at everyone at every second of the day.
Oh yeah. All right, Fetty, you got this.
This is where it breaks.
No, this is where it's
No,
happening.
it's over.
$10, Fetty does this.
Well, how many tries?
He just does it. You said it was gonna break. Oh my gosh. You nailed it. Oh!
It's possessed. Don't touch it, or you're gonna be cursed forever.
Let's go!
Daniel was like, yes, let me touch it.
Boom, $10.
What?
I will
said
take
in
that
general.
in cash.
I said
Thank
in
you.
general.
Cash, check, or credit.
Oh!
Wow, just go ahead and whip the wallet, Gabe Cruz. $10.
Oh!
It broke. It broke.
No,
it's over.
it's
it
fine.
broke. I saw it.
It's still fine.
The truck on the back
No,
went like this.
It's okay. You're fine.
I know. I'm fine.
Look at our ball boy over there.
Daniel. Clearly broken.
Nope, it's fine.
It doesn't even roll straight
It's
anymore.
fine. You stop it, Aaron.
There it is.
Yeah.
Readjusting. Damn, that was
Got
cat-like. Dude, you got it.
Yes! Fork it over, Kyro! Fork over that $10, man.
I got you. I got you. I'll just fill out a little piece of paper. I owe you.
Good job, Petty.
Thanks. I love how we start the video out and we're like, oh, we can't do any tricks on this. 10 minutes later, it's like tray flipping the 5.
Yeah, dude, this thing is actually holding up really well though.
Andre Agassi. Braille drop? I mean,
yeah, Carlos, you want to roll into the bank down the Braille drop?
No, Carlos, no.
I'm glad he's starting to say no.
Yeah, it's good. Wow, Fetty, unbelievable. No, he's trying to throw it up there. Bad Fetty. Bad Fetty, no. No, Fetty, bad.
The master of destruction.
All right, guys, well, we hope you had a ton of fun watching this video. Obviously, Fetty had a blast. So click right here to watch all the other videos that we've ever made, literally ever. Actually, it will just take you to one video, which I think you'll really like. And then go learn how to skateboard right here, click right here. And if you have something to send us a picture of your incredible design, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. And yeah, we will do what we did to this with whatever you send us. Maybe it will break, it'll probably break. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You almost got that, Fetty? One more try. First try. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below.
Took long enough.